Well, hello everyone. It's been a few days. I've had a bit of a May because my camera packed up, my editing suite and laptop and everything packed up. Everything packed up at once. Honestly started to think I was like some sort of EMP for electrics. So it's been a few days and I've had to spend a lot of money. However, I am back. So today, what we're looking at is this Murphy Sound Cube LED clock. Now, yes, I've done an LED clock recently, but I just couldn't resist this one. Because look at it. It's just awesome. I love it. However, it doesn't work. So I plug it in now. See, still nothing. There is a battery port on this, so we'll have a look at that now, but it has got some damage and it does look like somebody's tried taking it apart, which never bodes well. And just damage, that is. It's just brute force, that is. So I think the best thing we can do is take a look. Right, let's have a look in this battery compartment first. If I can get into it. Just unplug it in a minute. Get the lead out the way a bit more. Oh, it's a battery now. Duracell, no less. And it looks like it's been in here since God knows when. Wouldn't it be funny if they put a year on these batteries so I could actually see how old it was. Anyways, take this off. Don't want to come off. Ah, that's why. That's not a great start, is it? No, I have got a battery snap around here. I know I have. But it's just a case of, can I find it? That's always the case in my world. It's not a case of have I got it, it's a case of where is it. I'll have a look for that in a minute. But we'll have to replace that because that's rotted and gone. Right, so we've got scroll here. Right, there's no screw in there. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see there's no screw in there. Oh, great. You can't see in there either. Let's see if I can find something with a light on. You'll have to take my word for it, but it's rounded off to hell and back. Gently. That was gently, Ed. Right. Tidy up a sec. Right, we're back. Let me shut the window a minute. It's very windy outside. Right, so there's a wire off here. Where's that go? Oh, there's two wires off. So that would obviously be causing an issue. Bring you in a bit. Or are they off there? They're off there, aren't they? Look at that. Sorry, I had to get out, look. There we are. That's the screw I had to destroy. Let's get to it. Oh, here we go. I never lunched one. Right. This should come off now. And it does. Well, except for the LCD. That's not the LCD, that's the control board, isn't it? Oh, I don't bloody know. I'm just going to give it a clean behind there though. Give it a little dusting. Right, let's have a look what we're looking at, yeah. So, I can't see anything that would stop it powering on. Well, I couldn't. But then, when I was moving this, I did notice that. Now, I don't believe that was fully off when I took it off. But, if you have a look, if I get you in closer. If you have a look, where's the tool? It looks like it was just sat on there, and it doesn't look like it was making much of a connection. Because there's a little bit of corrosion there. I think it was just hanging on for dear life there. That's what I'm hoping anyway. So I need to strip these back. Put a battery snap on them. Put this battery snap on them, I should say. So let's come back out and solder that on as well. So I'll move them out of the way first. Because I'm going to keep this one. I know I said I was keeping the last one, but I'm going to move that one on because I really like this one. Yes, I know, I'm bloody fickle, ain't I? I was going to say fickle then. Right. So, what I'll do, once I find my solder, so I'll just freshen up this solder by it. There we are. Oh, it's a nice big blob, isn't it? Eh? Oh, that's better. Look at that. That's nice that's sitting in here rather than just hanging on the edge for dear life. I hope that's what it was because I can't see anything else. Granted, I haven't taken this board out. But we'll see. If I switch it on and it still don't work, I'm going to have to take it further apart now. Right, so now it's these paste. So I want to get some tubing. So I'm going to put black on black. There's no huge reason in here, people. It's just red on red and black on black. Come back out a bit more. Your new camera, see, I'm getting used to everything. Yeah. Well done, Ed. Note to self, get a wire stripper as well. So this one next. Camera's not straight, does it? There we are, that's better. So I'll do the same again. Yeah, that took a lot easier. Pushing over through there. What's that? It's actually new battery snapping. Okie doke, so give that screen a wipe from the inside. Right, I'm going to put that back on here, and then I'm going to test it, or shall I put it back together, do the risky thing? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Let's just get this back in first. That's the lunched one. Down here, it's another one I put it in. Jump for your love. Jump in. Feel your touch. Ooh. Right. Oh, bugger. I know what I've done. Oh, should have put the wires through before soldering them. Oh, it's your fault, that is. God. Can I pull it through? No. Oh, come on, please. Oh, please. Please come through. Be kind. Yes! Oh, thank you. I didn't want to have to do that again. Okay, so that is now lunched. We're out to get that screw out, but we still have the other side. After a bit of sweat and toil, I finally got a screw down in there. So we won that one eventually. Right, so that's no good to love no money. To man no beast. I'm sure the battery, well, I'm not sure, but I think the battery is merely there for memory, isn't it? Isn't it? It's not like to power it, is it? No, well, I hope not, because it ain't working. So take that back out. I'm sure that's just for memory. Ah, yeah, wait there, look. Said by a, if you can read that, battery for clock memory. Oh, so they're still open. Oh, this is a bit battered, isn't it, Fably? Looks like I've done that. Oops. Oops-a-daisy. There we are. Moment of truth then. Oh, yes! Right, it's not flickering like that to the eye. That's the LEDs. But yeah, that is working. Oh. That's the buzzer, that is. And that's auto. And that's radio. Oh, that happened to me years ago. I went crazy. I flipped out and I went through the window. Cause I'm crazy. Right, anyway, it's enough of that. Whoa, that's probably a better sound anyway. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Well happy. Well happy. So, that's going in my room. I'm going to give it a good clean. Oh, before I peek too soon. Just like my dad. There we are. Hey! So, the Murphy Sound Cube lives on. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I will see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go on, you know you want to. But until then, ta-da!